Good evening, Mr. Sanjay. Your
Yes, sir. Good evening.
interview with Federal Bank is going to be on which date?
So it is on 16th, sir, coming Thursday.
Coming Thursday. At what time
Yes.
is the interview scheduled?
It is on 10:30 a.m. So I'm in second batch.
You are in the second batch, 10:30 a.m. Good.
So,
So you are ready with your documents and all?
yeah, sir. It's also. I think.
You have the original documents with you?
Yes, I have the original. Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Now, can you please tell us about yourself?
So, good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm Sanjay Reddy from Vellore. So I have done my schooling in Vellore. And coming to my UG degree, I have done my BSc Agriculture in Karunya University. So coming to the project that I have done is I have undergone a project called RAVE and as well as KPAY. So RAVE is nothing but rural agriculture working. So I have been working with farmers, so getting to know about their doubts, problems, meetings, gathering meetings. So I have been staying with them for almost 2 to 3 years. So KVK is Krishi Vinyan Kendra, and I have been working with the KV agriculture centers. And also I have done a project on mushroom cultivation. So I'm coming to my native. So Vellore is a place which is rich in leather products. So it is also called Leather Hub of India, where it exports leather from Vellore to other places. And it's also famous for brinjals. And coming to my family background, so my father's a farmer. So this made me to take up agriculture. And coming to my mother, she's a housemaker. And my sister, she's working in Guru Mutual Fund family. And coming to my son, so I have a good communication and interpersonal skills. I'm enthusiastic and highly motivated. So I'm coming to my hobbies. I do jogging every day, and I love working for social people. So that is social awareness, so like helping people. So this is about.
Are you using mobile data or Wi-Fi?
So I'm using Wi-Fi, sir.
But sound is coming in a very mm, different manner. There is a lot of waverings, and
Uh,
it's not recorded or a sort of echo. I'm not sure whether it is echo.
Let me
Where are
change
you?
my networks.
Where are you sitting now? Are you sitting in the ground floor or first floor? Where are you sitting?
No, I have changed my network now. Now am I audible? How is it going?
Even now, there is a lot of echo. Is it a very big room in which you are sitting and you are the only
No,
person?
no, it's a small room. I'm the only person.
Small room.
Yes, sir.
Why don't you keep open the window?
One second.
Please keep open the window.
So is it okay now?
Let us see how it comes. What I will do. I can't replay this to you now. That is the problem. Doesn't matter. We will
Okay.
we will continue now. Mr. Sanjay,
Yes, sir.
what did you tell about your father? He is a farmer.
He's a farmer, sir.
What are the crops grown by him?
So now currently we have a banana, paddy, and the groundnut.
Okay. So can you tell me what are the positive steps taken by Tamil Nadu government for the sake of farmers in Tamil Nadu?
So actually, Tamil Nadu government, not only Tamil Nadu, other government also providing schemes and subsidy to farmers. So a few schemes like Kisan Credit Card, crop insurance scheme, and infrastructure schemes. So these are the major schemes that has been initiated by government. So these have been more helpful to them. The crop insurance scheme is something like during 2015 flood and all, we had coverage through this insurance. So it was so beneficial.
Who is the agriculture minister in Tamil Nadu?
So it was NRK Panneerselvam. MRK Panneerselvam.
MRK Selvam. Good,
Yes.
very good. Now, do you know anyone from Federal Bank?
So actually, one of my seniors is working on.
Acha. In which branch is he working?
So now he is in way to Salem.
Very good. What is he?
He is a PO, provisional officer.
Very good. Did you ask him what is the nature of work he is supposed to do?
So actually, I didn't ask about this work. I was just inquiring about the interview, how the process will be. So I was asking about this.
In which bank do you have an account? What type
I
of
have,
account?
I have an account in SBI and savings account.
Can you tell me what is a savings bank account?
So savings bank account is an account that usually used by pension people, students, and monthly income persons will be using savings. So here we get a monthly. Here we also get interest to savings account. So that is 3.05% up to 5 lakh rupees, and above 5
No,
lakh we'll be getting.
now it has come down. Now it is 3 lakhs, 3%.
So three
Earlier,
percentage.
when I was teaching you, earlier it was 3.05. Now, if you go to the Federal Bank website, you will see up to 5 lakhs, they are giving only 3%.
Above 5 lakhs?
Above
Is
5
it
lakhs, 3.10.
3 lakhs? So only up to 5 lakhs they have reduced.
Yeah. You please go through the interest rates for
Yes.
the various levels. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can I tell again?
Now, please tell again. What do you
So
know
savings,
about savings bank account?
so savings account is account that are usually used by pension people, students, and monthly income. So where they get an interest about 3% for up to 5 lakh rupees, and above 5 lakh we get about 3.10%. Savings account they also charge for minimum balance. We have to maintain minimum balance and service tax. This is about it.
Actually, in your case, you are having account in State Bank of India, so you can tell State Bank of India gives 2.70% interest in savings bank account, and they give a passbook. They also give a debit card, and their mobile app is YONO. Then they
Uh,
will ask details about that YONO. Do you know about YONO app?
yes, so it is a UPI app that has been initiated by SBI now.
Have you ever used it?
Yes, I'm using it. Have the app.
So they will ask a question, what are the purposes to which it can be put into and all. So you must be able to tell that. Now tell me the difference between savings bank account and current account.
So savings account is usually used by pension people, students, and monthly income people. So whereas current account is used by business. So here savings account we get the monthly interest. So we get interest over the money, how much. But in current account we won't be getting any interest. So savings account interest we get about 3% for up to 5 lakhs rupees. Above 5 lakhs we get about 3.10%. So in both account they charge for service taxes and minimum balance is higher in current account than in savings.
Correct. Can you tell me what is a nationalized bank?
So nationalized bank is a bank where the headquarters will be in other country and the branches will be in our.
Can you please tell me what is a nationalized bank?
The headquarters will be in other countries as the
Totally,
branches.
totally wrong. That is the definition of a foreign bank. A nationalized bank is one where the government has got more than 51% shares and above. Public sector banks.
Yeah, okay. Public sector, I got confused. Public
Yeah,
sector bank.
yeah.
I got confused. Sorry.
What are Canara Bank, Punjab National Bank?
So they are they're public sector banks.
What are the rankings of a private bank? Can you tell me first three private sector banks?
So ICICI, Axis, and ICICI, Axis, and HDFC. Sir.
I wanted rankings, in which case you should have told me first HDFC,
First
then ICICI, then
Axis Bank.
Axis Bank.
So actually, first is ICICI or HDFC.
First is HDFC, no doubt.
So in one website I saw it as ICICI.
Where did you see that?
It's in Google only. Some website popped up.
No. We will see now. We will see now. India ranking of private sector banks, HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank. Top 10 banks in India by market cap. Acha. In terms of even then it is coming correctly.
Yes,
HDFC is the topmost.
yes, yes. I have seen some other people.
1 minute. HDFC is the topmost. Yeah. So this is the ranking, HDFC Bank is the topmost bank with 11.6 market cap in
Yes,
lakh
sir.
crores, followed by ICICI Bank 7.70. SBI comes next 6.75. Kotak Mahindra comes 3.56. Axis Bank comes 3.24. But we do call Axis Bank better because in terms of business and all, but you commit yourself for HDFC and ICICI. But
Okay.
also you can say Kotak Mahindra and Axis Bank in terms of capitalization. In terms
Okay.
of business position, India business position wise, private banks. Top 10 banks, leading private sector banks. First is HDFC, then this also same figure.
Yes.
Market capitalization only they are telling, but I am asking about business. Here, what are the major players in India of private sector banks? The major players in the market include HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Yes Bank. In terms of the
So,
buying and
so they're
selling
not
of.
sharing your screens.
Does India have a large banking sector? India has a large banking sector with 21 private and 12 public sector banks. The top private banks in India are the reason behind India's economic growth, making it one of the most rapidly emerging nations. Who is leading an Indian private bank based on market capitalization? HDFC Bank. Why is private banking growing in India? Indian private banking sector is increasing due to increased disposable income, growing foreign banks in India, and booming digital banking platforms. Private banking provides personal services to individuals regarding investment and banking activities. Private banking helps clients to manage their financial assets. India's largest private banks by asset. By asset. Here it is. HDFC Bank was the leading private bank. Yeah, obviously it is not coming fully because it is asking for dollars.
Okay. So,
It is a paid one. Yeah. Top 10 private banks, 5 paisa. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank. You can tell
okay.
like this.
Okay.
In terms of branches and ATMs, this is classified. Then Kotak Mahindra. Good, very good. Next one. This job role requires a lot of work. Can you manage it?
Yes, so of course I can manage it. So I have experience during my project, so I hope I can manage it.
Why are you not pursuing for MSc in agriculture?
Yeah, so actually, uh, my age is about 21, sir. So it is enough to be financially stable. So I thought of taking up, I thought of stopping my higher studies and get into a job. So to be financially independent, I want to come into both jobs.
How do you make awareness among people about cyber crimes, bank frauds? It's a new question. They have asked 2 days back in Andhra University. Tell me.
So by
Hello?
telling them not to, yes, by telling them not to attempt the calls from any fraudulent calls on, if they get any messages by clicking some links, so I advise them not to open. So because they are the major fraudulent things that is happening currently, and usually now for people they get the call from North Indians like asking them the 60-digit number on the cards. So I will be advising them not to tell all these things because they are fraudulent calls. Usually banks won't call the customers regarding any this car issues. So these are the steps I will be telling the customers to not to do such things.
Why are banks focusing on frauds and cyber crimes? Hello?
You're asking me.
Yeah,
So now currently there are so many frauds that are happening in banking sector. Like since everything is been digitalized, so there are so many fraud works that are happening by hacking your accounts. So the bank are more focusing up to stop such things. So this is what I think.
please read this as banks focus. Please
As
read.
banks as bank focus tightly on reducing liabilities and efficiency losses in areas such as customer experience, revenue, reputations, and even regulatory compliances are being missed. At leading institutions, the push is on to bring together efforts on financial crime products.
Yeah, and the reason is that, as you rightly said, it is a it is causing big loss to customers, and again, it will affect the reputation of the bank also. Then you already answered this question. Please read this. Educational programs.
So educational programs, schools, universities, and businesses can offer cybersecurity awareness program to educate individuals about cyber threats and best practices. Public awareness campaign, government agencies and non-profit organizations can launch campaign to raise public awareness about cybercrime and profit safe and promote safe online.
Good. Now, please read this. Are cyber breaches causing financial crime?
As bank being to align operations to shifting profile of the financial. They confer the deepening connections between cyber branches and most type of financial. The cyber element is not new exact. Until recently, for example, most fraud has been transaction with criminals exploiting weaknesses.
Correct. How are cyber attacks affecting financial crime?
So they also they also made use of several channels, including ATMs, credit and debit cards, and wire transfers. The attack reveal the meaningful distinctions among cyber attack, frauds, and financial crime.
Yeah. Now, everything they are trying to cheat. Okay, good. Next question. What do you know by stocks and shares?
So stocks and shares is the platform where buyers and sellers meet together. So where the buyers will be selling the shares and they'll be purchased buying for safety purpose securities.
No, no. Here you have to use the word public limited company.
Public.
See, the capital of the public limited companies and private limited companies are contributed by shares. And in the case of public limited companies quoted in the stock exchanges, these are bought and sold and through the demat accounts. So that is how you have to describe. Okay. What is the difficult situation Sanjay has faced?
So actually, during my college times, for college I had my semester. So that time my father was in field. So I had a situation to come back to my home, and then thank God that was in my the study holiday time. So I had only one day. I just came to my home and met my father. I saw him. Then again, so this is the situation.
Okay. Now, please tell me what is BSE? Hello? Expand
Yes,
BSE. You don't know?
so that is Sensex, Bombay Stock Exchange, sir. Bombay Stock
Correct.
Exchange.
What is NSE?
So is it National Stock Exchange?
National Stock Exchange. Correct. Can you tell me about India's census? When was it taken? And what is the position regarding that? What is census?
Actually, I'm not aware of it.
So please prepare about that. Okay.
Okay.
In which bank will you get placed other than Federal Bank? They are asking about any other placement interviews you have attended in banking.
So if not Federal Bank, I will try attending Axis as well as SBI Bank.
SBI?
Yes,
No,
yes.
no. SBI, no. You are attending not now, na?
No, oh, in which bank? So if I get placed other than Federal Bank, which bank? Right.
No, no, no. Now in the placement, are you attending
Okay.
for any other
No, sir.
interviews? No.
No,
You
this is
can,
my first bank interview.
yeah. Which is your favorite sports?
So actually, I'm an athlete, so I know athletics.
Athlete.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Very good. Are you willing to relocate yourself to
Yes,
other states?
yes, sir, of course, because I'll be getting more exposure and opportunity to explore that.
Very good. Excellent. How can you use your agriculture knowledge in our banks?
So actually, during my project of agriculture, where I was meeting with farmers, I have been staying with them for 2 months. So I had a more communication with them. So this communication, like I had to get to know the problems, I had tried to solve them. So this will be helping in farmer. This will be helping in a banking situation where the people, customers will be approaching. So I'll be telling the solutions. So this is how I think agriculture helps in banking.
Name 5 states in India and their chief ministers and also the capital of them.
So Tamil Nadu, it is Muka Stalin, and this Chennai, state capital, and Andhra Pradesh, it is Jagan Mohan Reddy, it is Tirupati, and Bihar, it is uh, Nitish Kumar. I'm not aware about the capital, sir. And Delhi, it is New Delhi, it is Arvind Kejriwal, and
Wrong. Delhi is a union territory.
Haryana.
Delhi is a union territory. Regarding Nitish Kumar, the capital is Patna. Okay. Why
And
are
West
you
Bengal
why
is
are you not remembering Karnataka, Kerala,
because the
Telangana?
names, once I gone through the names, it was little difficult.
You have
So
to
the easy
remember.
names I took notes.
You have to remember them. And also, can you name 5 union ministers and their cabinets?
Okay, sir. So coming to Defense Minister, it is Sri Rajnath Singh, and Home Minister, it is Mr. Amit Shah, and Ministry of Commerce and Welfare, it is Piyush Goyal. Ministry of Ministry of Transport is Nitish Nitish Jairam Gadkari, and Financial Minister, it is Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. Agriculture Minister is Mr. Arjun Munda.
Good. Best wishes. Thank you. Thank you so much. You did well. This time you did well. Better than last time. Go with confidence.
How much will be the mark which you be allotted?
I will give you 8.5 to 9.
What are the
8.5
mistakes which I need
mistakes.
to overcome?
You could not answer some of the capital questions, basic questions.
Yeah.
And you know it. You replay the video and see how you can improve on. Okay.
Okay. So is there any other way I have to change this? I could say
No,
the
no,
topic.
no, but here I am not able to comment because your recording is not all right. There's a lot of the waverings. Yeah, I will post the video, you see how it comes. Recording is not, the sound is not heard properly. I don't know why. Doesn't matter. Best wishes. Please
Can
attend the
I turn
interview.
on my camera now?
1 minute, I'll switch off.